Introducing the Lankeleisi X3000 Max, the ultimate dual-motor e-bike for all your adventure needs. Experience unparalleled performance with front and rear 1000W brushless motors, delivering a combined 2000W of power for high-speed rides and efficient torque management. Powered by a Samsung 48V20Ah lithium battery, enjoy up to 140 km in pedal assist mode and 70 km in pure electric mode. Stay informed with the intelligent LCD panel, featuring IP64 water and dust resistance for clear driving data and power settings. Ride in comfort with dual shock absorbers, a lockable oil spring suspension fork, and 20x4.0 Chao Yang Fat Tires for enhanced stability and shock absorption. Built with a 6061 aluminum alloy full suspension frame and 180mm hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power under all conditions. Conquer any terrain with the Shimano 7-speed gear system, featuring a Shimano M310 rear derailleur for flexible and reliable gear shifting. Enjoy a comfortable ride with a large seat and a robust aluminum rear frame, supporting up to 350 pounds with an additional 120 pounds on the rear rack. Achieve speeds of 45 to 51 km per hour, making it one of the fastest e-bikes in its class. Featuring premium components like 6061 aluminum alloy handlebars, a ProWheel aluminum alloy crank, and Diasland hydraulic disc brakes for top-tier performance and reliability. Elevate your ride with the Lankeleisi X3000 Max. Power, range, comfort, and performance all in one.